Did you post on Poppo Live and you want to see people's reaction and comments? Or did you upload a video on Poppo Live and you really want to see people's reaction and comments? Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to see comments on Poppo Live. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app. The next is to log into your Poppo Live account. Having done that, you're going to see a message icon found at the bottom of your screen close to the me icon. You're going to see an option called system message. Just click on it. In this system message, you will see comments and reactions of your viewers relating to your post or video you uploaded on Poppo Live. So with this, I hope you'll be able to see comments of your viewers on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.